5-star reviews are the key to success on Upwork, and I'm going to give you the exact words to use to get them. Hey Mike, I'm thrilled to deliver the final version of your project. As discussed, all of the deliverables are attached. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically, here's where you put your deliverables up front so it's super clear that you're delivering your final work. Next in your message, now it's time to close out our contract on Upwork. Head to upwork.com, hit end contract, and write a glowing review here. Of course, I'll be doing the same for you when it asks for my feedback on you as a client. And you're an 11 out of 10 and 6 out of 5 stars in my book. Upwork is a reviews-driven platform, so this helps us so much. Here, we make it super clear that reviews go both ways. You're reviewing the client and they should be reviewing you. People want to reciprocate. You've shown them that they're going to get a good review out of you, and so they might be more inclined to give you a good review too. You're also showing how important it is to give reviews after every single project, and showing that a client shouldn't be walking away without giving you a review. The feedback portion is super helpful to me. It doesn't have to be really long. 3 to 5 sentences are great. Some things to think about when writing a great review might be: how long were you struggling with this before we met? What were your hesitations before choosing to work together? Was there an aha moment where you just knew that you made the right decision to work together? Would you recommend other clients to work with me? I want you feeling 5 stars. So if for any reason you wouldn't feel comfortable giving 10 out of 10 and 5 stars across the board, then let me know and I'll make it right ASAP. This part is really important because you're actually showcasing that you are committed to delivering 5-star service. Then write, "This is not goodbye. I will be checking in regularly and look forward to celebrating your success." Here, it's important to make sure that you're not closing the door on this relationship. I would also note that more than half of my business is with clients I've worked with before, and the referrals are kind enough to give me. So if you have any colleagues who might need something similar, then by all means send them my way and I'll take great care of them. Here, you're showing that you love to do repeat business and that other people are sending business your way too. So maybe if they know somebody, then they'll refer them to you as well. Close it out with, "I'm really looking forward to celebrating your success and kicking off our next project. Best, Evan." And you're out. The last thing I'm going to say about getting 5-star reviews, forget the fact that you have an end contract button. You don't close out projects anymore. Only clients end contracts for you. That's all I'm going to say about that. By the way, if you have a question about Upwork, leave it in the comments section down below, and I just might make a video about it. After all, I did make this video, didn't I?